Is it rolling?
Yeah, it has been.
Look at the ball out.
Oh my god.
You know जब लड़की देखने आते हैं ना
तुम्हें खाना बनाना आता है?
Two women supporting women.
Each other. What are you doing in the kitchen with this?
Baru is making coffee and she makes coffee with artificial
No, coffee with Baru हो गया ये तो.
coffee with butter. Yeah.
The topic would be what's in your bag. What's an absolute essential
Phone,
that you want in your
phone, credit cards, and cash.
Just
or apart from that?
just credit cards.
What do you think about people just ditching the bag and taking the phone with the credit card pocket?
I do that all the time.
So
I
see,
do need eyeliner. Oh my
Yes.
god. And I do need to.
I need my hairbrush because
I saw that.
frizzy hair is
Thank you.
Yeah.
No, I need
My
it.
credit card and Ashwani's credit card, just in case.
and brush. Yes. See, there you go. Yeah.
Baru, where's the coffee? Really like, you know वो जब लड़की देखने आते हैं ना
खाना बनाना आता है?
नमस्ते.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Very welcome. Awesome.
You know, I think with our show, like we will be giving wings to so many other women. Like you know, there are so many entrepreneurs who can design very well, who can even if they're not designing, who can get great stuff, propose it for selling and jewelry and everything. At times, all they need is like a platform, some place where they can actually exhibit their things, a safe environment, a good, authentic, and upscale environment. So we.
San Diego does not have that. So people used to
Yeah.
go to LA, Santa Ana, Irvine, and all that. If it's happening in San Diego, it would be amazing.
Yeah, and a lot of women have been doing it for a while, but not many people know about their business.
Yeah.
So this is great to give them an opportunity, a platform to put themselves out there. And yeah.
Especially with social media so much, everybody wants to go to these events.
Yeah.
They want to go to different events and show off
Yeah.
their style.
You have so many designer clothes to wear and slay, flaunt.
And so many messages I'm receiving. It's like I can't believe it that I'm new to San Diego, and even on my social media, I'm getting so many messages that they want to come, they want to participate as a designer, as they have a jewelry line.
And we'll see something different. So far we had that limited set of people who had jewelry and designs.
Yes.
Yeah.
Same sarees, same jewelry. So when we get more people from different areas.
I mean, look at us. We're all different, unique
In our own way.
our own ways. So
Thanks to you,
Yeah.
Kimmy.
yes.
You're providing
All
that platform.
roads lead to Kimmy.
Yeah,
We
And
hope
thank you, Mamta, for introducing me.
Of course.
Nice.
All of you. I think it's a good energies come together. So
Yes.
then let's create a place for all the other great women to be a part of.
Yeah.
I think we should definitely.
to all these women.
Yay,
Two women supporting women.
Each other.
Women supporting them.
To India Global USA.
Yes.
Yes.
India Global.
And cheers is very good with coffee. You don't have to wait for the drink to do cheers.
I was reading a quote, so it said, us women, right, you water me, I water you, and we never drain each other. So that really stuck in my mind. It's really the way you want to live your life as well, right?
I wish everybody feels that way.
Yeah.
We can help each other so much.
Yeah.
So much.
Yeah.
We need to lift each other up.
Yes, it's
Inspire,
very
motivate.
There is this, talking about watering, right? The two things about grass being greener. So the grass is greener where it's watered,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Now, a fun angle to it is the grass is always greener over the septic tank. So when you're envying someone else, you never know. Yes.
Correct.
They talk about that in terms of relationships. Don't go envying another person's relationship. You never know.
Yes.
You never know what could be under the surface.
Correct. Yeah. It's always the same thing.
Yeah.
It also helps like the company you keep.
Yeah.
Sometimes,
Oh, yes.
no matter how much you try, you're not that kind of person, but other person will put you down, tell you, don't do this, don't do this, don't do this, So we have to choose our company wisely, but especially at this age. Earlier we do all the mistakes.
Oh, yes. Peace is everything.
Yeah, right now, like,
Yeah, that's what I say, right? If you hang out with 5 smart people, you're the
You're
6th
the
smart
average
one.
one.
Yes.
And if you hang out with 5 dumb people, you're the 6th dumb one. So that's how it is. So that's as you said, you choose your.
Oh, I had this little saying, there's no shortcut to anywhere worth going. So you have to work for, of course some have it easy.
I think, no, nobody has it easy. Nobody. Okay, on the next meeting of ours, I think we should discuss that do some people have easier lives? I mean, is
Yes.
success,
Yes.
is there any shorter road? You'll be shocked to realize there
Not
is
even
no
one.
shortcut.
no. There's one there. There are
That's
many
my
recipes to success. Cook your own.
Yay!
That's written by Arush. Yeah.
Yes.
So nice.
Thank you for the very, very tasty coffee.
Thank you.
Great.
Although I just had the hot water.